Hi everyone, I just thought I would tell you that I'm participating in the BookTube readathon thing, um, but I will not be doing everything that Raylene and Ariel set out for us to finish because, let's face it, I'm not going to be able to read 300 pages a day, or any of the others probably that they set out for us to do. But I kind of participated in one of the others another week that people were having it. I'm not sure what it was, sorry. But it caused me to read more. And since my husband went back to second shift this week, I'll kind of have more than enough time to read throughout the night. So, yeah, books seem to be my friends when nobody else is here. So, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.